Vande Mataram bachcho. In last video we discussed about which types of graph in polynomial forms. We discussed cases of on which a quadratic polynomial forms graph. Now we solve here one example on each cases. So first case here, if a is greater than 0 and b square minus 4ac equal to 0. For this case, we taken here an example, x square minus 2x minus 8. That satisfied here a is greater than 0, here 1, and if you put the value b square minus 4ac equal to 0, then it is greater than 0. And we find the value of fx for different point, different value of x. Here, when we put minus 4, then we find here 16. If we put minus 3, then we find 7. If we put here minus 2, then we find 0. Minus 1, then we find minus 5. 0, then minus 8. 1, then minus 9. 2, minus 8. Then 3, minus 5. And 4, here 0. We plot this point on the given graph. Here x, y axis, here x axis, here y axis. Point here allotted. We draw the graph. First point here minus 4, 0. Second point minus 3, 7. Minus 2, 0. Minus 1, 5. Here 0, minus 8. 1, minus 9. 2, minus 8. 3, minus 5. And 4, 0. So we join this, not straight line. Don't join this point by scale. You roughly join this point. So you form these types of graph. This is a upward parabola. What is upward parabola? What is vertex? What we write for vertex? Minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. So you find the value? Minus b, minus 2, minus 2 upon 2 into 1. Minus d means value of b square minus 4ac. Suppose you find here b square minus 4ac. Here b minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 8. That is greater than 0. What value there we find? 36. That is greater than 0. So here minus 36 upon 4 into 1. You solve it, you find 1 minus 9. Then what is vertex? What is vertex of the graph? 1 minus 9. 1 minus 9. Okay, so this is based on first cases. Next case is second case here. A is greater than 0 and d equal to b square minus 4 is equal to 0. In which example here x square minus 3x plus 9 equal to fx. That satisfies this condition. A is greater than, here 1 is also greater than 0. If you put the value b square minus 4ac, b square 36 minus 4ac, 4 9 are 36, that is equal to 0. Now we find the point, when we put minus 1 in b, then you find the value of fx. For 0 you find 9, and for 1 you find 4, for 2 you find 1, for 3 you find 0, for 4 you find 1, for 5 you find 4, for 6 you find 9. We plot this point here. Plot this point here minus 1 16 0 9 1 4 here 1 4 and here 2 1 here 3 0 here 4 1 5 4 and 6 9. So this is also an upward parabola. Upward parabola. Vertex also you know here minus b by 2a 0. So you put here value minus b, minus 6 into minus 6 by 2 into 1, 0, that is 3, 0. Here 3, 0 vertex. So it is second case. Now third case, third condition, when a is greater than 0 but d is less than 0. Here given an example, 2x square minus 4x plus 5. That is satisfied this condition. Here a is greater than 0, if you put the value then it is less than 0. We find the value of fx when putting the some value of x. Here minus 1, we find here 11, 0, find 5, 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 11. We plot this point on the graph. Here minus 1, 11, 0, 5, 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 11. Roughly you join this point and you find here these types of graph. Vertex of this also you find here upward graph, upward parabola, and vertex here also you find vertex minus b by 2a and minus d by 4a. If you put the value here minus 4 minus upon 2 into 2 and here value of b square minus b square minus 4 minus 4 into 2 into 5 upon 4 into 2. You solve it, you find here 1 and also you solve it, you find here 3. That is our vertex. That is vertex. Here 4, 16, 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40, subtract it, 8 divide it is 3. So it is third types of the graph. Now fourth types of graph, here we plot. Here case number 4. When a is less than 0 and b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Here an example. Here one negative and you put the value of this, satisfy this condition. We find here value of fx are different value of x. Here when you put minus 2, you solve minus 5. If you put minus 3, you find 0. Minus 2, then 3. Minus 1, then 4. 0, here 3, 1 and 0, 2 and minus 1. For this point, we plot on the graph. Here minus 4, minus 5, minus 3, 0, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 4, 0, 3, 1, 0 and 2 minus 5. When you join this smoothly this graph, you find downward parabola. Here downward parabola. And vertex of it, vertex also here minus d by 2a and minus d by 4a. If you put the value up from here, you find the vertex minus 1 and 4. It is our fourth case. Now fifth case we draw here and write the question. It is case 4. Fifth. When a is less than 0, d equal to b square minus 4ac equal to 0. Here minus x square minus 6x minus 9. A is less than 0. If you put the value to satisfy the condition, we find here some value of fx when putting here x. Minus 5 minus 2, mean minus 4 minus 1, minus 3 0, minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 and 0 to 9. And we plot this point on the given graph. So you find here minus 4 and minus 5 minus 4, minus 4 minus 1, minus 3 0 and here minus 2 minus 1, minus 2 minus 1 here also, here 0 to minus 9. So this is a downward graph. Downward downward parabola. Vertex minus b by 2a and 0. If you solve it, then you find 0, minus 3 and 0. It is our vertex. Similarly, sixth and last case we write here. It is case number 6 and last. Here case a less than 0 and b square minus 4ac less than 0. Here an example, minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1. We find the value of fx for different point value of x. Here minus 1, then we find minus 6. If we put 0, then we find minus 1, 1 then minus 2, 2 and minus 9. We plot this point on the graph and we here find minus 1, minus 6, 0, minus 1, 1 minus 2 and 2 minus 9. We find here downward graph and here vertex. Vertex is 0, minus 1, that we find from this. Okay, it is the graph that based on 6 cases of quadratic equation. Now we discuss zeros of the polynomial and coefficients relation.